All right, at this step, you're going to be adding your engine oils to this smart can job. And this part really just depends on what type of oil change that you're trying to create. Now, what I mean by that is in the past, when you've used just the blank canvas can job, you've kind of had to create a can job for almost every type of oil change that you might want to use at your shop. Well, the good thing about smart can jobs is that you can replace all of those can jobs with just maybe one or two, depending on how you sell oil changes at your shop. Now, if you do a synthetic oil change, a fully synthetic oil change, non-synthetic, or maybe you do a diesel. Maybe you want to have one for a standard like I have here versus a foreign oil change. Those are things that you can kind of all configure with smart can jobs. Now, for this case, standard oil change, I'm going to select this button here, which then takes me to this screen where it shows basically everything that I have in inventory, not just oils, but everything that I have in inventory. But you're going to want to search for the specific oil or type of oil that you're wanting to do for this job. So in this case, if you wanted to do synthetic oil changes and I wanted to add this 0W20 and this 0W30, maybe I might do something like that. Or maybe you want to do a diesel oil change, and so you don't want to have these here, or maybe you want to do something else. In this case, what I'll do is I'll just have this standard oil change. I'm going to add all of these Mobile One, 0W20, 10W30, and 10W40. And I'm going to add this to the smart can job here, and you can see those listed there. So the oils that you want to add are typically going to be what you carry in bulk. And depending on the type of oil change that you want this to be, again, you could have a standard oil change, you could have maybe a diesel oil change, you could have a foreign oil change that's for more expensive vehicles, things of that nature, more expensive oil changes rather. All of that you can kind of configure at this step.